Scientists found something that moves on Mars, and it wasn't supposed to. What if I told you that something on Mars is moving, not rolling, not sliding, moving on its own, and NASA didn't talk about it for weeks? It started as a routine scan, just another high-resolution image sent back by a Mars rover, analyzed by a group of scientists late at night. Most of the team had already gone home. Nothing unusual was expected. Until one of them froze. On the screen was a dark shape on the Martian surface. At first, it looked like a shadow, maybe a rock, maybe a trick of the light. But when they compared it with an image taken just 3 days earlier, the object was no longer in the same place. It had moved. At first, the team assumed the obvious explanation: wind. Mars is known for its powerful dust storms. Rocks can shift, sand can bury and uncover objects. But this wasn't a rock. The object had a clear outline, almost symmetrical, and the path it left behind wasn't random. It was curved, intentional. The scientists pulled older images from the archive, images no one had looked at in years. That's when things got uncomfortable. The object appeared multiple times over the past decade, always in different positions, always leaving faint marks behind it, and always disappearing before the next major scan. One researcher suggested it could be a rare geological process, another blamed sensor errors. But then the motion pattern was mapped. It wasn't drifting, it was changing direction. The room went silent. NASA classified the finding for further review. Publicly, they released a vague statement about dynamic surface activity. No details, no images, just enough to raise questions and not enough to answer them. Unofficially, the debate exploded. Some believe it's a previously unknown natural phenomenon, something Mars does when no one is watching. Others think it could be debris from an old mission, slowly shifting in ways we don't yet understand. And then there are those who ask the question no one wants to answer out loud. What if we're the first ones to notice it? Whatever it is, one thing is certain: Mars is not as still as we once believed, and the next image NASA releases might show that the object didn't stop moving. It might show that it moved closer.